Hey, in this video I'll show you how to get the reply option on Instagram, just like I have right here. I can reply, save reply, and so on. And what you can do if that does not work for you. The first thing you want to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Then you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to type in Instagram, and you make sure that, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram updated. So if you have update right next to Instagram, you want to update it. If that's updated, what you want to do is open up Instagram, open up any DM. I just have this random person messaging me. So what I'll do here is just hold my finger on his message, and I have reply, save reply, forward, and copy. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And if you're still having any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd love to help you out. See you next one. Bye.